Hey guys, Pat Don VXP Realty, part of the Johns Group out here at 134 Cottonham Court in Richmond Hill, Georgia. This is a 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with 2,242 square feet, offered at $424,900. Let's check out this beautiful home. All right, so here's the front of the home. As you can see, Robin Allison, the listing agent, is going to be walking us through this home. I'd love to have her do that so she can kind of fill us in on what the seller, put in the home, the updates we got going on. But I want to show you this side garage first. Really good for curb appeal. You don't have a lot of homes, they got the garage out front. It doesn't look as appealing in my opinion, but great neighborhood, quiet. I mean, I've been here for an hour and super quiet, to be honest. And I got a couple friends that live in this neighborhood, so it's fantastic. Well, let's get Robin to talk about this home. Look at these coffered ceilings. Oh, there she is. There's Robin. There's Robin, not Poppy. Robin, not Poppy, but there's Poppy. Robin's the listing agent of this home. She's going to walk us through it. I love that fireplace and the coffer too. It's incredible.
And the built-ins, it's really nice.
Yeah, it's fantastic. So show me around. Let's do this.
So we are looking at a little over 2,200 square feet. I keep messing that up. We got 5 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and the master is downstairs in this one. So take a look.
All right, fantastic.
We got the living room.
You already saw the living room. I'm going to give it to you again.
Dining area here.
I like the way the table is right here. It just gives you plenty of like a separation right there. That's pretty cool.
And it's nice open floor plans, so you can really be involved with everybody. You've got company over. It's a great place to entertain. This island is amazing. Let's come to the kitchen and take a look at this.
Just so you know, we're doing agent open. That's why all this food's out here. So
Yes,
don't.
the most does not come with the house.
It can if you drive a hard bargain.
Yes.
Look
I
at-
can provide Moe's if you get the full price offer. Anyways, we got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances,
Yeah, it's beautiful.
lots of counter space.
I like, well, the sink. I didn't even realize the sink was over there. Okay, with the dishwasher. A lot of storage.
It does have a lot of storage.
Tons of storage. Oh my God. All
This
year.
island is so great for entertaining. You can
Oh,
see
yeah.
all the stuff we have out on it for this agent open house. It's really fun to come.
I could imagine partying in
Party
here.
around
I mean, I
here.
can imagine it. There's margaritas. They already started the party right now. So let's go to the primary.
Yes, it's over here.
All right, go ahead.
So off this way, we have a little separation to come into it with a coat closet here.
Mm-hmm.
Coming on into the primary, we do have the tray ceiling in here as well as crown molding, which is around the whole first floor of the home.
Fantastic. And it's big. Big room.
Yes, king size bed in here.
Just want to get a full shot right here. Yeah, large. All right, cool. And then the
Bathroom is quite spacious as well.
All right.
We have got dual vanities, garden tub,
Yeah. Tile floor.
top floor, a separate shower,
Yeah. And this is you said this is the
water closet.
water closet.
One of my favorite features to have that separate. It's just great for a married couple.
Yeah, absolutely. And this is a linen closet, I
Linen
assume.
closet?
Yeah.
Big
So
linen
linen closet. And you got a big
Big walk-in closet.
walk-in closet. Wow. That's a lot of space in there. Okay, cool.
We'll head back out this way.
So do you have a lot of people for the agent open house?
Yes, we got a good showing. This is great.
Fantastic.
Nice to have a lot of people come through here.
Rochelle, what helped with this one?
She did. Rochelle with New American Funding brought us Moe's.
Thank you very much. It's delicious.
We appreciate it.
Who brought the margaritas? Was that you?
Come on. Not gonna fail you there.
Yeah, all right. I
We have a
appreciate
half
that.
bath down here,
All right.
which is nice that it is down the hall away from the family room, so
Absolutely.
have some privacy. Nice big sunny laundry room back here at the back of the house.
You know what I love about this laundry room? It's got a sink, which a lot of them don't have sinks,
Lot do not, and that is nice.
including mine, which I'm
Including
I'm
yours?
jealous now.
Out back, we've got fenced in yard.
All right.
It's nice and sunny, but and private back here too.
Yeah, and it's quiet. It's quiet in this neighborhood. I've been here for about an hour, so it's not very loud.
No.
Fire pit.
It's very convenient to the South Bryan County rec fields are literally across the street from our neighborhoods.
Oh yeah.
There's a golf cart over there. There's the gym. There's a playground and numerous football, lacrosse, baseball fields.
Not far from Publix, not far from anything really
No.
that Richmond Hill has to
2.5
offer.
miles to Publix, 4 miles to Kroger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
A couple miles to the school.
Right, and this.
neighborhood does have a pool as well.
Oh.
A pool, a playground, and like a pavilion and an athletic field, like a multi-purpose field that kids can go kick a soccer ball around in or something.
Fantastic, that's awesome. And then you got this side entry right here. You can come in here, drive your car back if you wanted to. I don't know that you want to, but if you did, you could. You don't like that? Oh, okay. All right. All right, let's go upstairs. Oh, wait, I don't want to miss the garage.
Yes, there's a nice 2-car garage here.
Yeah.
They have a lot of gym equipment in here, they're big fitness buffs.
And there's room to do it,
But
too.
there's certainly room to park two good sized cars in here as well. There's some decent spacing on the sides of the doors.
Yeah,
And all
no,
this here.
this is good. All right, great. All right.
That's one thing to point out too. I don't know if you talked about it when you were out front, that it is a side entry garage as well. So there's a huge driveway. That
Right.
Lots of space. I've often seen them just hanging out in their driveway.
Well, see, and that's what I was telling you guys. Side entry is better. So, makes it look better, too. I don't like looking at a garage when I'm looking at a house. All right, we're going to go upstairs. Oh,
Right on up.
there we
The
go.
stairs here, until you get to the island, do have oak treads.
All right, and carpet upstairs. All right. They got children in here, so they want to fence it off.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna come to you. Why don't we go there first?
So this is one of the bedrooms up here, but it's really kind of more of a bonus room. It's a large space. Right now they're multi-purposing as an office and kind of a kid's playroom. But
That's
it's
awesome.
A real big room.
No.
Point out the room over there too. That little small door.
There's a room in here?
Walk-in attic storage,
Hold on a second.
which is super handy for those big bins that you
Yeah.
don't have to put up the stairs in the upstairs attic.
Absolutely.
It's really nice to just toss those in here.
So you're telling me they do office and playroom in here?
It can get interesting for her
Oh.
sometimes. She works from home, but yeah, when the kids get home from school, this is where they have their PlayStation and stuff. So sometimes she's like, "Yeah, be quiet."
There's
They
no way.
multi-purpose the room.
There's no way I could do that. I would have to kick my kids out of my office. There's no way.
Well, she's talented.
Yeah, obviously.
All right, and then we've got 3 more bedrooms up here. So here's the first one.
All right. Nice. It's good size. Probably fit a queen or a full, most likely. More functionally, I should say.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Got a bathroom here. This one was pretty recently updated. I know the countertops and the sinks were just replaced
Really
recently.
nice. I
Got a
love
modern
that.
style door.
I love the wood-looking floors. It's really cool. And then shower tub combo. We don't need to look at their shower, right? We don't need to do
Yeah,
that.
2 more bedrooms over here.
Oh, this one, I like the light that comes in here. It's really
It's nice and bright.
bright in here. Okay, cool. As you can see, they're moving.
Yep.
So
Trying to pack everything up and get out of here.
it's not as fancy. They don't have it as decorated as they would normally if they were staying here, but obviously they're moving, so. All right. Well, do you want to say anything about this home other than what we've already said?
Okay, so it's a great neighborhood, and y'all make an appointment, come out and take a look at it.
If someone wants to call you directly, what is your number?
My number is 912-656-2985.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And of course, if you have any questions about this, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.